Tesla fam, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to show you how to use the backup camera on your Tesla for safer reversing. So first things first, guys, I want you to put your Tesla in reverse. When you're ready to back up, shift your Tesla into reverse. This will automatically activate the backup camera. Then guys, you can view the camera feed. So the backup camera feed will appear on your touchscreen display, guys. You'll see a wide angle view of what's behind your vehicle, making it easier to see any obstacles. Okay, guys? Also need you to check the guidelines. Pay attention to the dynamic guidelines on the screen, guys. This is important. These lines help you to gauge the distance and trajectory, showing you where your vehicle is heading as you steer. And also, guys, it's important to use the parking sensors alongside the backup camera. Your Tesla's parking sensors will alert you with visual and audio warnings. If you get too close to any obstacles, and it's important, guys, to also adjust your speed as you reverse. It's important to keep your speed slow and steady. Use the camera and sensors together to navigate safely without hitting anything behind you, guys. Make sure your camera is clean, guys, okay? Should be clean and free of obstructions to ensure a clear picture, guys, okay? And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.